So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the first use date of your iPhone's battery, the day when it's got activated on your phone. Now, in order to do, just simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, simply go to this option of battery right there. Once you click on this option of battery, simply go to this option of battery health. And in the battery health, just below the manufacturing date, you can find the option of first use that is set to December 2023. That means my current battery have been activated since 2023 December. You can find the actual first use of your battery, and if it's not replaced, that's the actual first use of your iPhone as well, because if someone has replaced it, it might be get earlier to your iPhone manufacturer. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.